Yay, it's raining! I'm in rain gear! I am wearing a skirt. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's June 2nd. It's probably like 5 o'clock or later. We got a really late start. Oops, sorry. We got to shoot guns. We had a good time over at Jason's place. Now it's raining. Here we are in the rain going up a big ass hill. Actually, here I am in the rain going up a big ass hill. I am going slow because my backpack is way too heavy. Because I packed way too much food. I packed more food than fits in my food bag. My food bag should fit 6 days and I was aiming for 4 days. And I have overflowing food bag. So, I got a lot to eat tonight. I'm looking forward to it. Here we are in this beautiful, beautiful weather. Alright, I gotta pee now. Oh, that was a switchback. That was 10. I'm on 11. 11! Alright. We are calling out switchbacks. I'm counting them as I go up. Here we go. Till next time. Peace. Or something like